Hello friends, welcome back. I'm really happy that you completed the preview and the first lecture. Now, this is the actual learning when you start, because this is now you are enrolled for this course, and this is the way you are going to learn it step by step. So before we start with the cash flow statement, let us have the confusing clarity of there are two words. One is called funds and second is called cash. Now, never get confused, these two words are not same. I remember when I was doing my first time financial courses or accounting courses when I was in 11th standard in the past year 1995 I am talking about. That time I was only having understanding that fund means cash. No, being the finance guy, being the accounting guy, we need to understand that funds does not mean cash, but fund includes cash. What is the meaning of funds? When we talk about the funds means working capital. Working capital has two components. Don't go for the formatting part, I am just doing deliberately. It has got current assets and current liabilities. In current assets, what we have stock, means inventory or merchandise. We have account receivables, we have outstanding expenses, we have prepaid expenses, it is outstanding income, prepaid expenses, cash, and short term loans we have given to somebody. And in the current liability we have accounts payable, bank overdraft, and other current liabilities, means short term. So as you will see now, in the current assets we have one component called cash. So when we talk about the topics called fund flow statement analysis, then we talk about the working capital effect. But when we talk about cash flow management analysis, we are talking about particular portions called cash or cash equivalents. Cash equivalents, which includes cash, which includes bank balance. If it is negative balance, then we call it bank overdraft balances. So it is negative balance. So we have opening balance of these three, we have closing balance of these three, which we studied in the previous video, and then we analyze that during the year how many transactions have taken place with anything. So we have to understand that particular portion. So in our next video I will tell you about different components of funds and how cash flow is possible in between these terms. Alright, stay tuned. Please revise it regularly and understand it in a better way. Thank you.